I'm very proud of the combination of people that have worked together to make our project a reality. We were told it was an impossible dream, but through the combination of thousands of people from Canada, the US, and Mexico collaborating together, all dedicated to giving children an opportunity, and it's been through that wonderful collaboration that we have been able to realize this part of our dream thus far.
My introduction to Dr. Betty was when I had the opportunity to visit the hospital in 2014.
We've had wonderful people that have helped us. It's an incredible collaboration.
We share the same passion that inspired Dr. Betty for so many years to improve the health and nutrition of underserved children in our region.
We are the only pediatric medical specialty in northwestern Mexico, where we have several specialists all together. So we're not here competing with the general doctors or the regular ones. This playground over there was put in by Rotary Golden Triangle.
Okay.
And this new one was donated and then put in by a German engineer from the United States.
I think they tried annual physicals, dental checkups, and I mean, these are services that these kids would never receive.
And we accomplish something with them to help them have an opportunity for a future in this world. It's so gratifying. It's wonderful to see a dream standing.
She knew how to get support in the door, and so I'm really gonna miss calling her and sharing stories with her. There's no doubt in my mind that Dr. Betty's impact will continue to be felt for years and years, and really generations.
And we still have this land that you saw, so someday I can see a nurses training center, a Ronald McDonald House, maybe a full service hospital, I don't know, but we can grow.
It's important that we carry on Betty's work. It's important that we continue to partner with the Mexican and Canadian foundations that make up this tri-national alliance that supports the hospital.
Many, many people have said what we were intending to do was an impossible dream. Well, we're still dreaming.
We are committed to honor the last projects that Dr. Betty was working on, a project we now call the Legacy Project. And it has 3 priorities. 1, to secure more funding for the general operations of the FCC as we recover from the pandemic. 2, to provide funding for her passion, to provide funding for new and innovative nutrition programs that enhance the well-being of not just the child, but also can improve the overall health of a family unit. 3rd, and largest of all, a capital project, a renaissance project, which will expand the square footage of the Hospital Infantil and create new spaces that will help satisfy the growth and demand for medical services.
We miss Dr. Betty's energy and her passion and her commitment to the children. And once you see it, as I did on that tour back in 2014, you can't help but to be inspired by the work that she's done. To see the smiles on the children's faces, to see the support that you're giving parents that had no opportunity or nowhere to take their child for whatever it was that they needed help with is inspirational. It's life-changing. It's our mission as the Foundation Dr. Betty Jones helped create, fund the work of the Hospital Infantil de las Californias to carry on Betty's vision.
The staff that remains is a dedicated group of professionals that share Dr. Jones's vision, and we feel like we can continue to make an enormous impact on the lives of the children and their families. She will continue to inspire and animate our work as it inspires us both individually and organizationally to make good decisions. And I know that Dr. Betty will be looking out for us.
I think I've just been really blessed to have had an opportunity to have been born in Canada and had my undergraduate training there, and then live in the United States and work there, and then be literally adopted by Mexico and allowed to come here and teach their physicians. I think that's really been an honor.